Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this episode I'm going to show you guys an indicator strategy that you can use today. And one thing I always encourage is that you actually backtest the strategy yourself, because it works, but you need to backtest it and be comfortable using it, right? Because if it works for me, doesn't mean it's going to work for you, right? It takes certain personalities to trade certain strategies, and if this works for you, it works for you. If it doesn't, it doesn't. All right, now I need you to backtest this, make sure you're comfortable with it before we actually use it in the live market. But one thing I know for sure is that it can really make you some serious bang if you actually use it properly. All right, now I'm going to take you guys through the strategy. This indicator is called the divergence indicator. You can simply find it in the indicators tab. So one thing that I'm going to show you guys to look for is a divergence. So for those of you who don't know what a divergence is, it's pretty much when the RSI is going down, is trending downwards. As you can see, I'm going to change this to color to let me just change it to green. So it's pretty much when a second, okay, it's pretty much when the stochastic is trending downwards as such, and you have price trending upwards and making higher highs. See that? So as soon as you get that, it's an indication to sell. Look at that beautiful sell over there. That was such a nice sell. So you catch it, and the good thing about divergence is you catch it at the very top. Look at that. All right, so I'm going to take you guys through several examples, and yeah, let's go through it. So I'm going to take you guys through several examples. That was one. So make sure that whenever you get divergence signal as such, price is also so this was a sell signal, but as you can see, price is not giving you a higher high. As you can see, price is giving you something else. Actually, it's giving you a higher high. So if price is giving you a higher high and divergence is giving you higher highs as well, you don't have to take it. All right, it's not a valid signal. So compared to this, give you another one. So this is a perfect one actually. As you can see, price is giving you a lower low over here, and your stochastic is giving you a higher low. You can see that it's giving you a higher low, and it's a divergence. So this trade, you could have taken it, and the good thing about this strategy is that these do not repaint. So when you get a solid signal, you know for sure that it's going to work out, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are the examples that I can give you guys. Backtest it and go through it, and make sure that you're comfortable with it, and yeah, good luck testing it out.